So I guess someone would ask, Justin, why would we not tear this whole thing down and start over?
It's not our mission, not our goals. We want to take these old properties, what everybody wants to trash and what everybody wants to demo and throw away, and we want to take it and put life back into it.
Are you ready? The big reveal.
Oh my goodness, it's so good, so good. Hey guys, Justin and Stephanie here. We just acquired this property in Dunedin, Florida.
SWAT team.
Justin, oh, I wanted to keep that.
Really good contractor.
I'm Stephanie. This is my husband, Justin. He is more of the brains.
I knew we bought right because we were under that $100 a square foot. We're in America, we don't need a Roman tub.
I do a lot of the renovation side, so the design, all of the beautifying of it. I'm really liking this white that we do because it just feels like clean, it's simple on your eyes.
Stephanie's island came out magnifico.
I decided to go natural. You think it was a good choice?
I love it.
You're like the brains and I'm the beauty.
I'll take that.
We really take the heart of the home. No matter what the condition is, there's still that heart behind it. We really take that heart and then roll with it. Christ does that to us. No matter how busted we look on the outside, there's still that heart on the inside that is connected to Him. When we take these busted houses, we transform it into this beautiful creation. Just, you have to trust me on these things. I know
400 square feet.
That still might be a conversation.
It's
Who
not.
knows?
It is. We're having it right now. It's gone.
It might still be a conversation.
Originally, when we bought this one, it was a 2-1 rat-infested house.
I'm serious. If the rat comes out, I'm gonna no. When I pulled up, I literally thought, "What did you do? What? Oh my! There's like a demon right above the window. Cool. I'm leaving with Jesus. I came in with Jesus. I'm leaving with Jesus." Oh, Justin!
Come on in. Get some work done.
You're so weird. I love you.
You guys have done the most amazing finishes, picked the most amazing colors. It really, really turned out great.
Oh, babe, I have an idea.
For anywhere you go, you gotta have a baby palm tree.